Hey guys, I'm Arturo from Apple is Coming. I hope you're all doing great, and today I want to share with you what's changed with the new iOS and iPadOS update that Apple released to us yesterday, which brings tons of features. For example, new emojis, new wallpapers, redesigned media control center, and much more. So keep watching. Apple recently released the latest version of iOS and iPadOS, which is 14.2 to all new devices, and 14.4.9 to the oldest devices. Just a quick note here, if you have an old device, just make sure that you have a backup, because if you install it, things might break. My sister yesterday told me that she installed it and some features are not working properly, such as the messages or WhatsApp. So this update brings us over 100 new emojis and new wallpapers as well. Let's see how they look. So like I mentioned, we got over 100 new emojis, and honestly I'm all for it because new emojis are always welcome, and I think they're pretty funny. Beginning from the first one, the first two I think are hilarious. And we also have that Italian gesture there, which is I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it a lot there. Also, there's the magic wand, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it a lot too. The bucket, the car, the heart, the ninjas. You know, I'm a programmer, so I'll be like, I'm the programmer ninja. There's also a cat for those cat lovers. I also have a cat. All in all, I personally like them. I think that they're all hilarious and they will make a great addition for the collection. Now let's get into the wallpapers and see how they look. Yes, Apple has surprised us with the new addition of 8 new and beautiful wallpapers that can be set in white or dark mode. So the way the new wallpapers work is by looking at your current theme. If let's say that you have a dark theme, it will pick the wallpaper color scheme based on your settings. Now the funny part about this is that you won't be able to change the wallpaper to the opposite theme because it is set to your current theme. So to put it simple, if you have a dark theme wallpaper, you won't be able to use the white theme wallpaper. Something they have also changed is the AirPlay in the control center. So when you're playing something, it will look definitely very different from what it used to be before. I personally like it how it used to be before, but you know, I'm always up for a good change as well, because if you don't change, you don't progress, and that's how it goes. They have also introduced support for the iPhone 12 leather sleeve with the MagSafe. Now about the MagSafe, I'm gonna post another video talking about it because we now have some information. So if you're one of those tech guys that you like to have the MagSafe, then stay tuned, subscribe down below. Now something that they also included that is very, very spicy, and I love it, is, I don't like spicy, but I love this update, is optimization for the battery charge of the AirPods. So now the AirPods will charge slower, but that will decrease the aging of the AirPods, because before it was getting charged super fast, but you know, the battery life was not that good. So now they will attempt with this to get an increase on the battery life of the new AirPods that come out. Now they also included level audio notifications for when your audio could be impacting your hearing, so you don't go like, oh? Now these 3 things are the most important pieces of the release in my opinion, but if you want to check out the rest, for example bug fixes and much more, I'm gonna leave the link to the website down below in case that you want to check it out. I personally like the update a lot. I'm gonna be using a lot of those emojis. I'm already using the wallpaper, and I'm very glad that they implemented that on the AirPod, because my AirPod is very old already, and I'm super happy to have that update. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Apple news, unboxing, release, rumors, leaks, just subscribe down below because I post from time to time and I would love to have you in the channel. With that being said, I hope you stay safe. See you in the next video.